Hello everybody and welcome back to the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Custom Zombie Mapping Tutorial Series. This video is going to be pretty short because we're just going to be fixing the lighting issue that we had in the previous tutorials. So if you guys remember, in the previous tutorials that we did and we went and tested the map, we had these weird lighting issues. So we had like bright white light going along the seams of the walls and stuff. It looked really terrible and glitchy, and it might not even show in the editor. And it was just like, it seemed impossible to get rid of. I tried a bunch of stuff. Well, thankfully, somebody actually commented on my video. I think it was I forget which video it was. It was one of the videos in the tutorial series. And I think it was where I was pointing this out. And he actually said that a YouTuber by the name of Yu-Gi-Oh! Waka actually found a fix for this. It's a texture fix. And the person who mentioned this is GobbleDem Zombies. So his channel link's going to be in the description below, as well as Yu-Gi-Oh's. And it's a really quick fix, so let's go ahead and apply it so that our map doesn't look terrible when we go ahead and test it and deploy it. So what we're going to want to do is, all we need to do is draw a brush. And the only thing is, we need to make sure this brush encompasses the entire map. Mine is easy because mine is just a little box map. If yours is bigger and it has a complex kind of layout, you're just going to want to make sure you encompass the entire map with this brush. I'm not sure if you can make multiple of these brushes. I haven't tried it. Maybe one of you guys can try it and leave the results in the description below. But really, you just need to, it's like a sun volume. You just need to drag it over the entire map. So you want to make sure that it does it in the XY plane, but you want to make sure it does it in the XZ plane as well, so that it actually covers top to bottom and side to side. So once you've done that, like I have just now, we're just going to need to apply a texture to it. And this texture is actually called Chalk Shadow. So let's go ahead and type shadow. So there it is. And it looks very similar to the chalk texture. It's yellow. Let's go ahead and zoom out. There it is. And it has shadow all over it. So I'm guessing this texture helps with like indoor maps with shadows so that it doesn't cast the blinding white light. So maybe it wasn't a bug at all when I was talking about it. I thought maybe it might be a bug. Maybe they just had outdoor maps in mind and then they use this for indoor stuff. I'm not incredibly sure, but this works, so I'm very happy about it. So the only step we need to do now is actually make this into like a hollow box, very similar to what you do in World at War. So you're just going to take this. You're going to select your brush you just made. You're going to go to Selection, CSG, CSG Hollow. And what that's going to do is, instead of just having a brush that has the texture on all 6 sides, it's actually going to duplicate it so that it's on the inside as well. So this will leave us like with a room that encompasses our entire map that has this texture fix. Now the good thing is, you know, they're not going to be able to actually see this when they test and play your map. This texture is invisible to the player, so it fixes the issue and it's not visible, and it's a very easy fix. So that's going to conclude it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And then the next tutorial we're going to get into more, we're going to get back into mapping. This was kind of just a fix, and I will see you guys then.